It's March 4, 2023. My birds. We got a big old scraping machine built a road. Yep. The oil field. So anyway, on to the motorhome. Wrecker auction motorhome. My generator. Yeah, I hook up my batteries and stuff, but that doesn't look right. Doesn't look right at all. And I see a fuel line right there. And man, if that's hooked to my gas tank, which means I gotta go underneath there. Oh, it's fun to go underneath there. I was just under there fixing lights, which I've got them almost fixed, all of them, sort of. So we put our broken, pre-tested, sort of fixed. It's my fishing wire. Signal in, and now I got my turn signals working, got my flashers working, I got most of my bulbs working, but I had a deal with the brake light switch. Yeah, that little jewel right there. And you got to back that nut off right there as far as you can, pretty far. And you're going to need to take a screwdriver or something and get up in there with it and hold that other nut on the inside of there. So that one's a fun one, boys and girls, let me tell you. And it was way backed off. I mean to tell you. My brake lights are on. That switch was loose. Already knew that switch was loose before I tore the column down. I knew that switch right there was loose. We get powered up. Brake lights. So I had to adjust the brake light switch, get my brake lights out, fix a couple of wires underneath there to get this one back. And also it gives me my wires for my hitch, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to work around and fix that a little bit better. But yeah, we are waiting on parts now. But yeah, you can put these things back together and test them. Well, that's after you put this back together, because it was all pulled out right here where it's broke. You got a post that holds it right there, and it was all busted out, and it was all pulled up and out of place, and it wouldn't turn the flashers off. So the flashers was on all the time. When I got it put back together, it works now. Let me see if I can make it work. Is that the right direction? Yep, I hear them. And ta-da! Now I got to figure out where I lost the headlight harness at. That's the funny thing about wrecker auction vehicles. Sometimes they don't come with batteries, they don't come with wiring harnesses. It comes with lots of rat poop. But hey, it runs. It actually moved. I moved it. So anyway, God bless in the 4.5. We're going to do some more work because there's plenty more work to be done.